Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know, I'm delusional at this point, okay? I've been putting out more videos. Can't say consistently though, but I've been putting out more videos. But we are reaching a new season, and I am slowly trying to get back into my influencer bag, like consistently. So I'm hoping to be posting a lot more content consistently. I'm not going to make any promises anymore, okay? It's just like I said, managing so many different social media pages, it's not easy, but I want to be posting more on here. So let's see, fall's approaching. I'm actually going to be like doing a few trips with my boyfriend. It's kind of crazy saying that out loud, but I'm going to be doing some trips with him, and I'm actually thinking of like turning that into content. Thing is, when I travel, I try to like enjoy as much as possible and not focus on shooting too much content, because then I feel like you just don't get to relax as much. Like, shooting content for me is like work, so I don't like to do it too much, but I do want to sort of rebrand into like a travel influencer, just because like fashion, beauty, and lifestyle is great. I'm not going to stop doing that, okay? Like today we're going to be talking about some makeup, so I'm never going to stop doing that. But the travel influencers, y'all, I'm sorry, that's where it's at. Like, I've been following more on Instagram and TikTok, and it really hit me. I was like, I need to rebrand to a travel influencer, because I love to travel, and it just makes sense. Like, I don't know, like they literally get to fly out to places for free. They get to enjoy themselves on the vacation for free, but not even just for free, they get paid to post. Like, I need to be doing that. So I'm going to be shooting content for the trips that we go on. I'm also going to still be doing fashion and beauty. For this video, we are going to be talking about the new products I got from Smashbox. Okay, if you did not know this, I worked with Smashbox a couple of years ago for their, it was a 3 months or 6 months? I honestly cannot remember, because it's been a while. I believe it was 3 months, but it was an ambassadorship that I got to work with them in college. I got to receive like all of their primers. I also received some of their primers like last month or a couple months ago. They reached out to me like a few months ago saying that they would love to send me their secret release that they're going to be having soon. So they want to send me products for that. And now that the release is like out, I thought, why not make a video reviewing the products? So when I worked with them, they sent me their primers, and they also sent me one of their foundations. I'm not a foundation gal, so I will not be, I'll be honest with you, I did not use that foundation. I actually gave it to a friend, but then they sent me their, I actually have it here, honestly. They sent me their Halo, you can see that, Halo Glow Tinted Moisturizer. This is probably my second favorite tinted moisturizer. Okay, I'm not a foundation girly, but when they sent this to me, I was like, whoa. Okay, I love it. My first one is from L'Oreal. Let me show y'all here. It's the Skin Paradise one. I really love this one. I use it religiously, but because I don't want to use it all up, I tend to like switch between this one and that one. So this is the, yes, Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer. It's supposed to be like a primer, moisturizer. Yeah, it's like supposed to be absolutely amazing, and honestly, I think it's pretty amazing. I love that it's called the Healthy Glow, because when you put this on, you do get a glow. Okay, we're gonna put this on. I will show you guys. But they actually sent me another one. I have that here. Yeah. Okay, they sent me another one. This is the package that they sent me here. They sent me the Halo Glow, and I'm the shade Deep. I will show you guys when I put it on, but I'm the shade Deep. I can't remember how many shades they have, but I would say Deep matches me pretty well. It blends really well, so honestly, I feel like you should be able to find a shade that works for you. And then they sent me their new product. Okay, it is the Halo Healthy Glow 4-in-1 Perfecting Pen Concealer. Yes, concealer, y'all. I'm not shocked that they released this, because I don't know, I remember like when I tried the tinted moisturizer, I was like, you know, it would make sense if they had a concealer to match it, and then they made it. So we're going to be reviewing that. I will also show you guys the tinted moisturizer, but we're primarily going to be reviewing the concealer. This is my first time opening it. Like, this is the tinted moisturizer again, shade Deep. And then as for the shades for the concealer, we're going to talk about it because I hate picking concealer shades or foundation shades when I use the word foundation. Even the tinted moisturizer shades, like, I hate when I have to pick them out online. It is not fun, okay, you guys? I try to pick out the ones I wanted as best as possible. This shade is D10W, and then this one is D10N. I can already tell this one looks a little too gray. So I don't know. I wanted to pick a shade that was a little bit lighter than my natural skin tone to give the brightening under eye effect, and then one that would match my skin tone perfectly. This is supposed to be the one that matches it perfectly, and it's looking a little gray. Okay, this one might be the one that matches me perfectly. Yeah, this is the D10W. But I don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna test it out. But the box they sent me, just to give you guys a little, info about it. It's vegan, cruelty-free. It's supposed to be 24-hour wear. We're gonna test it because I'm gonna go and meet up with friends. We're gonna go out. We're going to a festival, a soul food festival. So I will be outside. It is hot. So we're gonna test it. 24-hour wear, all day hydration. I will say that the tinted moisturizer does provide that. Instant radiance, buildable coverage also gives that as well. Water, sweat, and humidity resistant. We're gonna see about that. We're gonna see about that one. And nourishing with vitamin E and green tea. Ooh, okay, so we're gonna test it out, guys. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. The concealer has 15 shades. I remember when they contacted me to pick my shade, the shade range was actually pretty nice. I will give them that credit. So let's get into it. I already did my eyebrows. We're gonna do a full look. Nothing too crazy though, but we are gonna do a full look. Did my eyebrows, gonna prime and get started so that you guys can see how it looks. I'm a little nervous. This gray one is making me nervous, but we're gonna see how well it blends. Okay, we're gonna prime with actually one of their primers that they sent me. It is the Photo Finish Control Mattifying Primer. I really like this primer, paired with the Milk Hydro Grip. I have very oily skin, so these two work amazing. So let's prime and let's try these products out. Okay. Let's prep and prime. I'm actually running a little bit late. It should be gone by now. But ciao. Sorry to my friends, honestly. So sorry to them. I got like a migraine right before shooting this video. I feel fine now. Took medicine, drank tons of water. I'm actually drinking a ginger ale right now because my stomach just feels a little bit weird. It's because it's reaching that time of the month, unfortunately. Because I literally got the migraine. I was like, what the hell is going on? And I saw it's because my lady time is approaching, so got a bit of a migraine. I should have shot this way earlier, did not, so we gonna hurry up. Okay, it's probably gonna be the fastest look that I can do, to be honest with you. Are in. What I do once I put the primer on is I actually get my powders. I learned this trick from Jackie Aina, where when you put your primer on, basically set it with a little bit of powder, just because I've got oily skin out here. Okay, so I use my actually ColourPop. See that? ColourPop. This is the No Filter Loose Setting Powder. It's my holy grail setting powder, to be honest with you. And I use a little bit of Laura Mercier, just a little bit, not too much. And then I have a pressed powder from NARS. So we're going to use all of that to just quickly dab onto my face to help with keeping it set a little bit better. So we're just going to do a little bit. Alright. That marinate a little bit. And then let's get this Halo Healthy Glow Tinted Moisturizer on my face. I'm not going to open the new one though, because I still have this one. So this is just going to be extra. FYI, this has SPF 25. Just FYI, okay? Always put your regular SPF, sunscreen on your face, but just letting you know, this provides extra protection. Just letting you know, okay? Just letting you know. So I just use a beauty blender to blend it out, to be honest with you. You can use a brush. I just use a beauty blender. It just makes it easier in my opinion. And then I put a little bit on the beauty blender and then we'll spot it out. I feel like I'm gonna need a little bit more of this stuff, but we don't want to put too much. Ooh. Blend out. Y'all see that? Yeah. I love tinted moisturizers because I don't need too much coverage. That's just me. Okay, everybody is different. This moisturizer is just like, it's amazing. It's so lightweight. Foundations, I just find that, and it's buildable. I'm still building it up just a little bit. Foundations just feel so heavy on my skin. I don't like them anymore. I honestly can't remember the last time I used a foundation. Although I've been using products that like act as foundations. Like this really acts like one. But I also have a product from Skin Beauty that is like a 3-in-1. It's like concealer, foundation, and moisturizer. Like it's not just foundation. I love products like that because foundation just feel heavy. This is perfect. This is like all the coverage I need. See that? All the coverage I need. So highly recommend. Again, this is the shade Deep. That's on. We're gonna do some red corrector. I just used LA Girl Pro Concealer red corrector. Just a little bit, not too much. Other beauty blender to blend that out. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to put my falsies on. We're gonna try to make some time. I'm so late. It's not even funny. My friends are gonna start calling me. But we must shoot the content. We must shoot the content. Okay, I want to show you guys how they look. I just spent like a good 2-3 minutes trying to figure out how to get it out. This is the applicator. Looks like that. I actually really like applicators like this. The LA Girl Pro Concealer has a very similar one, except you squeeze it. This one, you literally have to, let me show y'all. You gotta turn it to the left, okay? That's where I was struggling. I literally just spent a good 3 minutes trying to figure out how to put this, get the product out, y'all. Okay, so you gotta turn it to the left. The product starts coming out, okay? And then you can draw it wherever you want on your face. You can also use this as a contour product. That's what they said. Don't hold me to it, but we're using it as concealer, okay? But you turn it to the left and then you apply it. So let's try it out. I don't know. Okay. I don't want to put too much just because like it's my first time trying it. To the left. Yes, to the left. To the left, to the left. Everything you own in the box to the left. In the closet. That's my spot. Yes. Okay, let's keep going. Because I'm already late. And then we're going to use the D10N for the rest of my face. Just to conceal any other spots. Isn't that right? Okay. Okay. You know? It's not bad. I actually think maybe the shade is fine. Yeah, I'm actually not too upset about it. I think maybe it was just my eyes deceiving me. I actually really like it. Yeah, we're gonna test it out though. See how long it lasts to not crease. But let's do setting powder and I got to go. We're not gonna be able to do full look, but I'm going out later tonight, so I think that's when I'll do the full look and show y'all. But I'll show you guys how it holds up in a couple of hours, and then we'll do some eyeshadow and lashes. That's to have the lashes on. But yes. Okay guys, so this definitely late, but this is how it looks. Basically not final, okay? This is just for now. I'm gonna put eyeshadow and lashes on later. I'm going out later to the club. Okay, we went to the club. But I ain't got time for all that one. And honestly, I don't feel like putting on that one. I'm gonna go to the Pittsburgh Soul Food Festival with friends. This is how concealer and everything looks. But setting powder, setting spray, I like it. Okay, honestly, so far I like it. We're gonna give it a 3 to 4 hour test. I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it looks then, let y'all know if I had to touch up at all, but we're gonna see how well it does in the heat. Okay, so I will be back in 3 to 4 hours. Stay tuned. Okay guys, this is like a, let's see, this is a 10-hour update. I decided to do a longer update than like 3 to 4 hours. I only had to touch up once when I had it on during the festival. It really wasn't that bad. Typically I always have to touch up at least once, but I only touched up once. Then I got ready, just freshened up my makeup for the club. Just after the club, you know, definitely like a few oily spots, but overall, pretty good. I honestly would give it an 8.8 out of 10, just because I still have to touch up. So anything that says 24-hour wear, anything that just like any product that's advertised as like almost perfect, if it's not perfect, I'm not giving you a 10 out of 10. So I would say this is not perfect, but it's good. I would definitely recommend trying both the moisturizer and the concealers out. Again, the concealers look like this, like that. Easy application, I will say. Consistency is good. Definitely crease, but that happens with every concealer I use. If anybody has really good recommendations for concealers that don't crease, please let me know, because I like to test it. I like to see, because everyone I use ends up creasing, but that was expected. So I'm going to give it an 8.8 out of 10. Definitely check it out. Smashbox is pretty inexpensive, so I always say that if you end up not liking it, you're not really breaking bank compared to like other companies. Some makeup brands, I'm like, you should not cost this much, but you do. That's a conversation for another time. So I would say test it out. You're not going to be breaking bank. You're not going to be spending a shit ton of money trying it out, and you might end up liking it. Never know. So definitely check it out. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe. Like, what are you doing? I'm going to be getting very, very consistent, slowly but surely. But yes, subscribe so you can see all of my other videos. Follow me on Instagram at AfroBleeso. Follow me on TikTok at AfroBleeso. I'm also going to be posting a lot more content on my personal TikTok. I also have a brand TikTok. I have two. But you can follow me on both if you want. Not going to stop you. And yeah, we'll see what video I make for next week. But tune in next week. Bye.